Good morning, babies. How are you all? Good? Very good. Okay, babies. So let's begin today's class. We are doing English, and today's date is 16th September 2020, and day is Wednesday. Okay? 16th September 2020, and day is Wednesday. And we are doing words, were, or, does, words. So babies, you can also read. Try to read the words. Were, or, does, words. Were, e, the, with vowel a. Okay? And we are doing short sound of the vowel. We are doing short sound of the vowel. Which sound we are doing? We are doing short sound of the vowel. Okay? Now, babies, tell me which letter is this? A. And this is E, I, O, and U. Say me the what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So this is the long sound of the vowel, and we are doing short sound of the vowel. Which sound we are doing? Short sound. So what is the short sound of these vowels? A, E, A, A, E, A. And we are doing which letter? Which vowel we are doing? We are doing vowel A. And we did last time we did vowel A's short sound. Short sound of vowel A we did last time. Okay. So now let's do it one more time with the new words. Okay. So babies, today again we have three families. Now tell me what is the name of this family? Ad. This is app, and this is egg. Okay. So babies, we have to make words with these families. Okay. So let's begin. Say the spelling first and then write it. The first word is bed. B-e-d, bed. B-e-d, bed. B. Okay. B. Ed. Bed. L. Ed. Led. L. Ed. Led. Head. H. Ed. Head. Met. M. Ed. Met. Dad. D. Ed. Dad. Said. S. Ed. Said. Okay. Now, what is the name of this family? App. Okay. So let's make words with this family. K. App. Cap. Okay. Lap. L. App. Lap. Nap. N. App. Nap. Tap. T. A. P. Tap. Sap. S. A. P. Sap. Map. M. A. P. Map. Have you seen India's map? Yes? Okay. Now we have left with this family. This is egg. Okay. So let's make some words with this family. Bag. B. A. G, bag. Nag, N, egg, nag. Rag, R, egg, rag. Tag, T, egg, tag. Sack, S, egg, sack. And the last word is V, egg, wag. Bat, bat. We should avoid bad habits. Yes. Lad, boy. Had, I had my breakfast. Mad, he is mad. Dad, okay, I help my dad. I serve water him. Sad, are you sad today? No. Okay. Cap, lap, nap. Okay. Tap, sap, and map. Bag, nag, rag, tag, sag, and wag. Okay, so these are short sound vowels. Why? They are giving us short sound. These words are giving us short sound. Why? Because they have only one vowels in it. Yes, we have got only one vowel and two consonants. Yes. Now let's see what we have next for you. Okay. So babies, now we know short sound of the vowel. Yes. And how do we know that the word is giving us a short sound? When a word is having only one vowel, like this word is having only one vowel. Yes. So the word will give us a short sound. Which word? Which sound? Short sound. Okay. So now we'll know when do we use long sound of the vowel. Okay. So can you read what is written here? Read. Ma, a. Do we call it ma, a, ga, e, ka, magic? Magic बोले हम इसको? No. We have that rule when G and C followed by E, I and Y, it gives us a soft sound. So what is the soft sound of G? J. So we'll call it J because it is followed by I here. I is there, so we have to call it with the soft sound. Now read it. Ma, a, j, e, ka, magic, e. So today we are going to do magic E. Why we are calling it magic E? So babies, here I am going to introduce one more rule. Okay, and what is that rule? You have to say it with me. Let me speak first, then you repeat it after. Okay. When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking. When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and second remain silent. Second remain silent. Okay, so that's why we are calling it magic E, because when we have two vowels, the first vowel said I will speak, keep silent. So magic letter E, magic से अपनी आवाज साउंड नहीं देता. It remains silent. It does not give its sound. Okay. Now see how it works. Read ka, app, cap. Now if I add magic letter E here, how we are going to speak it now? See. Now we are calling it ka, a, pa, k. And this magic letter will show its magic and it will remain silent. And what was the rule that we did just now? That was when two vowels are walking, first one does the talking, it gives us long sound, and second remain silent. A second silent हो जाता है, and the first vowel give us a long sound. So what is the long sound of this? A. What is the long sound? A. Ka, a, pa, cape. And here we have only one vowel, so we are calling it ka, ap, cap. Now what is this? Pen. Here we call it pa, a, n, pain. Why? Because first we have got two vowels here, and first vowel will give us a long sound and second remain silent. This is magic letter E and it will become silent. Pa, a, n, pain. Can. Ka, a, n, cane. Wet. Now see how I am going to call it. Should we call it vague? हम उसको vague बोले क्या? Huh? No. Why? Because here we have E. After G we have E. And whenever G and C is followed by E, I and Y, they give us soft sound. So what is the soft sound of G? J. So that's why we are calling it here wage. Wage. Okay? Tap. Tap. Okay? Now here we'll call it take. Tap. This is tap and take. Dam. Dame. So here the first vowel will give us a long sound and the second remains silent. So say the rule with me one more time. When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and second remains silent and second remains silent. So that is magic E. Okay. We can call it silent E also. We can call it silent E also. Whenever silent E at the end of the letter, it becomes silent and A sound, and the first letter will give us a long sound. First letter will give us a long sound. So babies, I am going to give you these words. You have revise them at home. Just read them. Okay, you need not to write it. You just have to read them. Okay, in your English copy, you are going to do these words in your English notebook. Okay, so first of all you have to write today's date. What is today's date? You have to write here 16 September 2020 CW Wednesday. Okay, so do this work in your English notebook. Alright, and in your cursive for junior book, what you are going to do, you will do page number 24. Okay, join two letters, page number 24, and because we are doing short vowel sound of vowel A, so we will do two pages of the same book, from the same book, cursive from junior, page number 30, page number 32 and page number 33. These words we are going to do in our cursive for junior book. So let's read what is written there. Ma and man, fa and fan, wa and when, ka and can, pa and pen, ra and ran. So these words you are going to write in your cursive for junior books. Okay, so babies, when we'll do English work notebook work, you have to you will not copy it down. You will first read the word and then you will say the spelling and then only you are going to write these words. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.